Hello students, number system and number operations. 5th class active math. Practice question number 4. Student book term 1. Lead app book. 4.1 solve the following. A. Majid has to read 13 books during his summer vacation. If each book has 123 pages, how many pages does Majid have to read in total? Solve. Books are 13, pages are 123. Total pages are 123 into 13. Ones place 3, tens place 2, 100 place 1. Multiply by 13. 13 means 10 plus 3. First product is 123 into 3, 369. Second product is 123 into 10 is equal to 1230. Add the two products and we will get the answer 1599. Total pages are 1599. B. An aeroplane covers a distance of 880 kilometers in 1 hour. Find the distance covered by the aeroplane in 16 hours. Solve. For 1 hour, 880 kilometer distance. For 16 hours, 880 into 16 by 1 is equal to 880 into 16. Ones place 0, tens place 8, hundreds place 8. Multiply by 16. 16 means 10 plus 6. First product is 880 into 6 is equal to 5280. Second product is 880 into 10 is equal to 8800. Add the two products, then we will get the answer 14080. C. Maninder has 124 lemon trees on his farm. If each tree gives 2345 lemons in a year, how many lemons does Maninder get in total in a year? Solve. Lemon trees 124, lemons 2345, total lemons 2345 into 124. Ones place 5, tens place 4, 100 place 3, 1000 place 2. Multiply by 124. 124 means 100 plus 20 plus 4. First product is multiply 2345 into 4 is equal to 9380. Second product is 2345 into 20 is equal to 46900. Third product is 2345 into 100 is equal to 2,34,500. Add the three products, then we will get the answer 2,90,780. Total lemons are 2,90,780. Ame has to make 515 artificial buckets. Each bucket requires 10,143 sheets of paper. How many sheets of paper does he need? Solve. Artificial buckets is equal to 515. Each required sheets is equal to 10,143. Total sheets of paper is equal to 10,143 into 515. Ones place 3, tens place 4, 100 place 1, 1000 place 0, 10,000 place 1. Multiply by 515. 515 means 500 plus 10 plus 5. First product is multiply 10,143 into 5 is equal to 50,715. Second product is 1,143 into 10 is equal to 1,01,430. Multiply 10,143 into 500. 50,71,500. Add the three products. 52,23,645. Total sheets of paper is equal to 52,23,645. Question number E. An auditorium can seat 12,685 people per show. If 45 shows were held with a fully occupied auditorium, how many people in total attended the shows? Solve. Auditorium seats is equal to 12,685 per show. For 45 shows is equal to 12,685 into 45. Tens plus 5, tens plus 8, 100 plus 6, 1000 plus 2, 10,000 plus 1 multiply by 45. 45 means 40 plus 5. First product is multiply 12,685 into 5 is equal to 63,425. Multiply 12,685 into 40 is equal to 5,07,400. Add the two products. 5,70,825. For 45 shows, total attended people is equal to 5,70,825. How many hours are there in 365 days? Solve. For one day, 24 hours. For 365 days is equal to 24 into 365. 1s plus 5, 10s plus 6, 100 plus 3 multiply by 24. 24 means 20 plus 4. First product is 1,460. Second product is 7,900. Add the two products. 9,360. For 365 days, 9,360 hours. Next question. 79,488 copies of The Hungry Caterpillar were sold in a month. If the cost of each book is rupees 499, how much money was earned by sale of these books? Copies are 79,488. Each book is equal to rupees 499. By sale earned is equal to 79,488 into 499. 1s plus 8, 10s plus 8, 100 plus 4, 1000 plus 9, 10,000 plus 7 multiply by 499. 499 means 400 plus 90 plus 9. First product is 7,15,392. Second product is 71,53,920. Third product is 3,17,95,200. Add the three products. 3,96,64,512. So by sale money earned 3,96,64,512. Shiva saves rupees 2,850 every month for donation towards cancer patients. How much money will she save after 3 years? Solve. For a month, Shiva saves rupees 2,850. For a year, rupees 2,850 into 12. 1s plus 0, 10s plus 5, 100 plus 8, 1000 plus 2 multiply by 12. 12 means 10 plus 2. First product is 5,700. Second product is 28,500. Add the two products. 34,200. For a year, 34,200. For 3 years, 34,200 into 3. 1s plus 0, 10s plus 0, 100 plus 2, 1000 plus 4, 10,000 plus 3 multiply by 3. 3,000, 34,200 into 3 multiply, then we get the answer 1,02,600 for 3 years, 1,02,600. Question. Using the digits 7, 5, 4, 3 and 8, form the largest 5-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number and find their product. Solve. 7, 5, 4, 3 and 8. Largest 5-digit number is equal to 87,543. Smallest 3-digit number is equal to 345. Their product is equal to 87,543 into 345. Ones place 3, tens place 4, 100 place 5, 1000 place 7, 10,000 place 8 into 345. 345 means 300 plus 40 plus 5. First product is 4,37,715. Second product is 35,01,720. Third product is 2,62,62,900. Add the three products. 3,02,02,335. Therefore, 87,543 into 345 is equal to 3,02,02,335.